Hey team, it's JT from Work It Daily, and today I want to talk about the difference between appreciation and compliments. So this is a subject near and dear to my heart. It's something I've been coaching on for over a decade, and it's understanding the difference between the two and why it's so important that you do both in the workplace. So first of all, appreciation is simply thank you. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for the work that you're doing or how you've helped me, that sort of thing. It's acknowledging that somebody has served you in some way. And we all want to get appreciation. We all want to know that somebody understands that we've done something for them. So that's something we should do. But a lot of times people fail to give compliments. And compliments are currency, they are power. They're extremely effective in helping you deepen your relationship with your peers, with your manager, whoever that you have in your world that you want to network with, that maybe potentially you want them to help you someday, right? Whether it's write a recommendation or refer you to a job or help you out in a pinch. The way that you build strong relationships in the workplace is not just through appreciation, it's by specifically complimenting people on the work they do and how they're exceptional at it. So if you think about it, when you compliment somebody, you would say, I really like how you do this task, or I really admire this skill in you. And it's not enough just to say that. It's important that you back it up with facts so that you detail what it is about what they're doing that you think is so smart, different, impactful. Whatever it is that you're complimenting them on, give them the detail and the context around what you've observed. Now, why is this important? Because actions speak louder than words, and we all have habits in the workplace. So what you're doing by calling this out on somebody is basically saying, this is a habit I've seen in you. This is something you've done repeatedly that I think is a good habit, that I think is very effective. And I want you to know that you should do more of it. So when you pay a compliment to somebody and you map out the actions they've taken, the habit that they have that is so good, you are reinforcing to them that they should be doing more of it. But more importantly, you're allowing them to understand what they're good at. And when they see that somebody understands that in them, they are going to be more likely to want to do the same for you. And this is how you deepen the relationship. This is how you get to know each other better. I always tell people it's like playing on a sports team. The best teams know that every player can't play every position. They can't be wonderful at everything. They make sure they stay in their lane and that they are the best at what they do, but they also know to compliment and recognize their other teammates because they could not win the game if they didn't have them all doing their exceptional skills, their exceptional things as well. So there you have it. Appreciation, absolutely. You should be thanking people every single day for their work. But compliments are currency. Compliments are something that you should be doing each and every week. And if you just set a goal to pay people a compliment every day, you will be building up that social currency. You'll be strengthening your network so that when the time comes, if you need to ask people for help, they will be more than willing to do so. Okay, I hope that helped. And remember, come back for the next video because if you want to win, you've got to work it daily.